Hello, and welcome. I'm standing in a field, but the next war may not be fought anywhere like this. Today, warfare is being transformed by data, speed, and technology that once seemed like science fiction. Over the next few minutes, we'll count down 10 of the most advanced military technologies changing the face of conflict right now. Let's begin. First up, hypersonic missiles, arguably the most game-changing weapons of the 21st century. These cutting-edge projectiles are redefining the very nature of modern warfare, and their impact is being felt across the globe. Hypersonic missiles are not just faster, they represent a leap in military technology that is forcing every nation to reconsider its approach to defense and deterrence. Their incredible speed is changing the very idea of reaction time. Traditional warning systems, which once gave leaders precious minutes to respond, are now being rendered almost obsolete. With hypersonics, decisions must be made in seconds, not minutes, leaving little room for error or hesitation. These weapons travel at speeds greater than Mach 5, over 6,000 kilometers per hour, making interception nearly impossible with today's technology. Their velocity means they can outpace most air defense systems, arriving at their targets before defenders can even react. Unlike traditional missiles, hypersonics can maneuver unpredictably during flight, weaving and changing course to evade interception. This agility allows them to bypass most current missile defense shields, making them a nightmare for military planners. Both cruise and glide variants are in development by major powers, each pushing the boundaries of engineering and materials science. The race to perfect these weapons is driving innovation in propulsion, guidance, and heat-resistant materials as nations compete for technological supremacy. Their unmatched speed and agility mean a strike can come with almost no warning, eroding the traditional security provided by distance and early detection. Targets that once seemed safe due to geography are now vulnerable, fundamentally altering the balance of power. Hypersonics force a complete rethink of national defense strategies. Military leaders are urgently developing new doctrines, investing in next-generation sensors, and reimagining how to protect critical infrastructure in a world where threats move at hypersonic speeds. The race to master this technology is reshaping global power dynamics. Countries are pouring billions into research and development, knowing that whoever leads in hypersonics could hold a decisive strategic advantage for decades to come. That's why hypersonic missiles top our list. They're not just weapons, but symbols of a new era in military competition, where speed, surprise, and technological edge are more important than ever before. Next up, we enter the world of stealth aircraft, true masters of invisibility soaring at 40,000 feet. These remarkable machines are not just planes, they are the result of decades of innovation, engineering, and a relentless pursuit of the ultimate tactical advantage. Stealth aircraft have revolutionized modern warfare by making the impossible possible, flying undetected right above enemy territory. Their unique angular shapes and advanced radar-absorbent materials work together to scatter and absorb radar waves, drastically reducing their radar signature. Unlike conventional aircraft, which reflect radar signals back to enemy stations, stealth planes are designed to deflect or soak up those signals, making them nearly invisible to detection systems. Every curve, every edge, and every surface is meticulously crafted for one purpose: to remain unseen. But stealth isn't just about shape. Exhausts are cooled to minimize heat signatures. Engines are buried deep within the fuselage to reduce noise and infrared detection, and even the paint is a marvel of science, engineered to absorb radar and blend into the sky. Technicians painstakingly apply these coatings, knowing that every detail counts in the quest for invisibility. Aircraft like the F-35 Lightning II seamlessly integrate all these features, combining stealth with cutting-edge avionics and weaponry. This allows them to penetrate deep into hostile airspace, gather intelligence, and strike high-value targets with minimal warning. Pilots rely on advanced sensors and data fusion to maintain situational awareness, even when flying undetected over enemy territory. Stealth technology gives militaries the unprecedented power to strike first and vanish before the enemy can react. It redefines air superiority, shifting the balance of power by allowing surprise attacks and rapid withdrawals. The ability to launch precision-guided munitions and disappear into the clouds has changed the rules of engagement forever. But stealth is more than just hiding. It's about dominating the battlefield from the shadows. These aircraft can gather critical intelligence, support ground forces, and disrupt enemy operations, all while remaining virtually undetectable. At night or in broad daylight, they control the skies with an unseen presence. The element of surprise has never been more potent. With stealth, a single aircraft can change the outcome of a mission, or even an entire conflict, before the enemy knows what hit them. It's a true game-changer in modern warfare. That's why stealth aircraft are high on our list, symbols of technological mastery and the future of air combat. At number 8, drones, unmanned aerial vehicles, have revolutionized warfare. From the MQ-9 Reaper to hand-launched Ravens, drones provide persistent surveillance and precision strikes without risking pilots. High-altitude drones act as eyes in the sky for days, gathering critical intelligence. Live video and data streams connect operators continents away, enabling real-time decisions. Drones operate where manned aircraft can't, but also raise new ethical questions about remote warfare. As AI advances, drones are only becoming more capable and autonomous. The drone era is here to stay. Now, the electromagnetic railgun, a weapon straight from science fiction. Instead of gunpowder, it uses electromagnetic force to launch projectiles at over Mach 7. The result? Devastating kinetic energy, no explosives required. Railguns offer greater range, safety, and magazine depth than traditional naval guns. The challenges, immense power needs and rapid wear, are being tackled by ongoing research. Prototypes have already demonstrated incredible destructive power. If perfected, railguns could redefine naval warfare. The future of artillery is electric. At number 6, directed energy weapons, lasers and high-powered microwaves. Lasers deliver pinpoint destruction at the speed of light, ideal for shooting down drones and rockets. Each shot costs little more than electricity, making them cost-effective against mass attacks. High-powered microwaves disable electronics, silently frying enemy systems. Weather and power supply remain challenges, but the promise of unlimited ammunition is real. These weapons are already being tested on ships and vehicles. Directed energy is changing the economics and tactics of defense. The age of energy weapons is dawning. The battlefield now extends into cyberspace, where code is as lethal as any missile. Military systems rely on networks, making them both powerful and vulnerable. Cyber defense is a constant battle to protect critical infrastructure from intrusion. Offensively, cyber tools can sabotage, steal secrets, or disrupt enemy operations without a single shot fired. Attacks like Stuxnet have shown how code can cause real-world destruction. Attribution is difficult, making cyber warfare a shadowy, ever-present threat. As militaries become more connected, cyber weapons only grow in importance. Number 4. Autonomous combat robots. These machines represent a revolutionary leap in military technology, blending advanced robotics with artificial intelligence to create systems capable of independent action on the battlefield. Unlike traditional remote-controlled drones, which require constant human oversight, autonomous combat robots are designed to operate with far less direct input. They can analyze their surroundings, make split-second decisions, and adapt to rapidly changing combat scenarios, all on their own. These ground and aerial systems use sophisticated AI algorithms to navigate complex environments, identify potential threats, and assess risks in real time. Their sensors and onboard computers allow them to distinguish between friend and foe, and even prioritize targets based on mission objectives. Some are specialized for bomb disposal, venturing into hazardous areas where human lives would be at risk. These robots can disarm explosives, clear mines, and perform other dangerous tasks with remarkable precision, keeping soldiers out of harm's way. Others, like the AI-powered wingmen in the Skyborg program, are designed to fly alongside human pilots, providing support, gathering intelligence, and even engaging enemy targets autonomously. These robotic wingmen can react faster than humans, making them invaluable assets in high-speed aerial combat. On the ground, swarms of autonomous vehicles can move in coordinated formations, support troops, and transport supplies through dangerous territory. Their ability to work together seamlessly multiplies the effectiveness of military forces, changing the dynamics of modern warfare. The promise of this technology is clear. By taking on the most hazardous missions, autonomous robots can save countless lives and allow soldiers to focus on strategy rather than survival. However, the rise of autonomous combat robots brings with it urgent ethical questions. Who is responsible when a machine makes a mistake? Can we trust algorithms to make life or death decisions in the chaos of war? Around the world, governments, activists, and experts are locked in fierce debate over the future of these technologies. Some warn of a new arms race, while others see the potential for greater safety and precision in military operations. Despite the controversy, the development and deployment of autonomous combat robots is accelerating. Military labs and defense companies are racing to create ever more capable machines, pushing the boundaries of what robots can do. Robot soldiers are no longer just science fiction. They are becoming a reality on the modern battlefield, reshaping the future of warfare before our eyes. At number 3, advanced submarines. Stealthy giants beneath the waves. Modern nuclear subs combine stealth, endurance, and firepower, remaining hidden for months. Anechoic tiles and pump jet propulsors make them nearly silent. Sophisticated sensors and photonics masks provide unmatched situational awareness. Ballistic missile subs form the backbone of nuclear deterrence, able to strike from anywhere. Their ability to disappear makes them the ultimate strategic asset. Submarines are the silent guardians of the deep. In second place, exoskeleton suits. Robotic frames that augment the human soldier. These suits help carry heavy loads, reduce fatigue, and boost strength and endurance. Sensors and motors work with the wearer, not against them, making soldiers more effective and less prone to injury. Exoskeletons can also aid in logistics and specialized tasks, multiplying manpower. Power supply and durability are challenges, but rapid advances are being made. The future soldier may be limited only by imagination, not biology. Exoskeletons are redefining human potential on the battlefield. And finally, space-based defense systems, the ultimate high ground. Satellites provide global surveillance, early warning, and secure communications, enabling modern warfare. Imaging satellites offer detailed intelligence, shaping strategic decisions in real time. Military SATCOM links connect forces worldwide, making networked warfare possible. Anti-satellite weapons threaten to blind adversaries, making space a contested domain. Treaties limit some weapons, but the race for space dominance is accelerating. Space is now a critical warfighting arena. The next conflict may be decided above the clouds. There you have it, 10 technologies reshaping the rules of war. From lasers to cyber attacks, the battlefield is expanding in every direction. These advances bring new power and new risks. The future of conflict will be defined by innovation, not just numbers. Thanks for watching. Let us know which technology impressed or concerned you most.